In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud Mail on laptop. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, you'll see two straightforward ways to get to your inbox, through a web browser and inside Outlook on Windows. I'll explain what to click, what to expect, and a few simple tips to keep things smooth and secure. Let's start with the quickest route, the web browser. Open any modern browser. Chrome, Edge, or Safari all work great. In the address bar, type icloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID, which is the account you use for Apple services, then enter your password. If you're asked for a verification code, enter the code sent to your trusted device to confirm it's really you. Once you're signed in, click Mail. Your iCloud inbox will load instantly. From here you can read messages, reply, compose new emails, search your mailbox, move or delete messages, and manage folders, very similar to Gmail. This method works on any laptop without installing anything, and Apple supports using iCloud Mail in a web browser anytime. A quick tip: bookmark icloud.com/mail for one-click access next time, and remember to sign out if you're on a shared or public computer. If you prefer using an email app on Windows, you can set up iCloud Mail in Outlook. First, download iCloud for Windows from Apple's official source and install it. Open it, then sign in with your Apple ID. In the iCloud for Windows window, make sure Mail, Contacts, and Calendar are enabled, then apply your changes. Now open Microsoft Outlook. You'll see your iCloud account appear in the sidebar, and your messages and folders will start syncing. This lets you send and receive iCloud email right alongside your other accounts in one place. Give Outlook a moment to download your mail and keep iCloud for Windows running so everything stays up to date. Before we wrap up, a few important reminders. You must have an email address that ends in @icloud.com tied to your Apple ID. Without that, mail won't appear. You also need to be signed in to your Apple account, and if Mail isn't enabled in iCloud or in iCloud for Windows, you won't see any messages in Outlook. If you're prompted for two-factor verification, have a trusted device nearby to receive the code. And if anything doesn't load, check your internet connection and try refreshing the page or restarting Outlook. That's it. Use the browser for the fastest access or Outlook on Windows if you want everything inside an app.